This is a really great question to illustrate a really key ACT strategy, which is to get in the habit of using your answer choices. So you might be intimidated by all these exponents here and variables, but if you can just figure out part of the answer choice, then you can make some eliminations here. So let's just deal with our coefficients first. So we have 3 times 2 times 4, and notice that our answer choices, the first two have a 9 in them, and the last 3 have a 24 in them. So where do these numbers come from? Well, 24 is 3 times 2 times 4, and you know that when you see 3 times 2 times 4 that you're multiplying them, you're not adding them, so we can eliminate 9 off the bat. 9, notice, is what comes if you add these things, but the question's not asking them to add, not asking us to add, it's asking us to multiply. So we can eliminate 2 answer choices right off the bat, so we're in pretty good shape. Now we can deal with our variables here and our exponents. Now the trick is, even though we are going to multiply the coefficients across, multiply the numbers across, when we have exponents that are being multiplied, you add them. And this is hard for a lot of students to remember when they see something like x to the third times x to the squared. Are they supposed to multiply those exponents or add those exponents? Well, you can visualize it by writing it out here. So x to the third is x times x times x. X squared is x times x, and x squared is x times x. Now let's just count up all our x's. X times x times x times x times x times x times x. 7 x's, and that reminds us that we're supposed to be adding those exponents across. We're adding 3, 2, and 2. So we have x to the 7th, all right? And if we look at our answer choices, that means we're actually done because answer choices J and K both say x to the 12th, which is what would happen if you multiply that across. Only answer choice H has x to the 7th. But let's just double check that it is y squared. Yes, we see that we have 2 y's here, and that would be y squared, so H is our answer.